Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your accounts and hardware. Sign into the same Apple ID on Mac and iPhone, then install Xcode on your Mac. Once done, plug your iPhone into the Mac with a cable. Make sure the phone is unlocked and you accept any trust prompts on the device. You do this to allow the Mac to see the phone and to provision a development profile. Without that connection, you cannot load apps from Xcode onto the iPhone. In Xcode, open or create a project and choose your device as the run target. Once selected, Xcode will prepare signing and provisioning. Sign into Xcode preferences with your Apple ID, add your team, and let Xcode create a provisioning profile automatically. When you first try to run, watch the Mac and iPhone for prompts. You may need to enable developer mode on the phone and tap trust for the computer. Doing this links the code sign. Now click the Run button in Xcode. It will compile, sign, and push the app to your iPhone. Watch the build logs for errors and accept any on-screen prompts on the iPhone to allow the app. If you see a signing or device error, make sure the provisioning profile matches your team and that the iPhone is set to trust the Mac. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both Mac and iPhone, reconnect the cable, and recreate the provisioning profile if installation still fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.